Hi, bro. Welcome to my channel, Play Technical. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the critical process dyed blue screen error problem on Windows 11 and Windows 10. When we use a computer, the screen may show a blue screen error. It will prompt you that your PC ran into a problem and needs to restart. On the screen, we can also see the stop code, critical process died. The reason for this error is usually a corrupted system background program of Windows, which leads to a blue screen error. After we encounter a blue screen of death, we need to wait for the computer to collect some error messages. Then we need to wait for the computer to restart. After your computer finishes rebooting, one of two things will happen. Your PC shows the blue screen error again, or your PC comes to the desktop normally. If your computer is not able to access the Windows desktop properly, then you need to perform the next action. Press your computer's power button to start your computer. When the computer logo appears on the screen, you need to press the power button immediately. This will force your computer to shut down. You need to repeat this operation 3 times. Then your computer will enable the scanning status. Once the scan is complete, it will access the advanced startup options. If your computer can access the Windows desktop normally, you need to open the startup menu and select the power option. Then hold down the Shift key and click the restart option. Wait for the computer restart to complete, and then you will access the Advanced Startup option. OK, in the Advanced Startup options, we can then execute the repair solution. First, you need to click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. There are multiple fixes you can perform here. You can try selecting the Startup Repair option first. Then your computer will enter the diagnostic mode, and you can check if the computer problem is solved or not. If the repair fails, then click on the Advanced option. Go back to the Advanced Options page again. Then try Command Prompt for computer repair. The code used in the tutorial I will put in the description below. You need to execute the following command in the pop-up window. sfc scannow. This command will check the computer system files. It will diagnose if there are problems with the files and repair them. Once done, you need to execute the next command. Chkdsk ef. This command will check and repair errors in the system disk. After waiting for the disk check to complete, you need to execute the next set of commands. Bootrec fixMBR and press the Enter key. OK, then you need to type in the command. Bootrec fixboot. OK, the command execution is complete. If the command results in access is denied, then you need to type the next command. Bootsect nt60 sys. OK, now you need to close the command prompt. Then click on the Continue option to boot your Windows system to check if the problem is resolved. If your computer has access to the Windows desktop, then you can also try the next method. You need to press the Windows and R keys to open the Run window. Then type this command. This will open the Hardware and Devices window. You need to click on Advanced Options and make sure that the Apply Repairs automatically checkbox is checked. Then click on Next. Start detecting problems in your computer. Once done, it will list the problems in your computer. Then you need to select the computer problem you want to fix and click Next. After waiting for the problem to be fixed, you need to restart your computer to apply it. Select Apply this fix. Wait for your computer to restart and check if your computer problem is solved. OK, that's all there is to fix the critical process, dyed blue screen error. I hope my tutorial will help you to fix your Windows. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will post more videos about fixing your computer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.